Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TechnoSpark Go, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, we have to open our dialer, and let me start with the contacts, because basically we will have two different ways to block a number. So as you can see, we are in the contacts, so we can block the number which we've got currently saved. Let's find the contact we want to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on block contacts, and as you can see, we've got this information. What is more, we've got this characteristic icon right here, which simply means that from now on we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. And of course, if you want, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the unblock option, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, because this is basically the second way to block a number. And in order to get there, we have to enter the settings. So it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts or the recents. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. And right now we have to tap on blacklist. And as you can see, this is the number we just blocked from our contact, so the previous way also works. And here we can add the number also. And as you can see, this option, this way to add the number to a blacklist, is more manual, because here you can simply enter it. So you do not have to have the number saved on your contact list. You can, for example, copy it and paste it in this section and simply tap on add. And as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. Basically, of course, you can change the number whenever you will make a mistake, and you can also unblock the numbers just by tapping on this trash bin icon right here and tapping on remove. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.